Is there still hope, or should we just trash this wig? Okay, we ain't gonna trash it. We're gonna try to revive this. So let's go. Let's do this. This used to be a nice looking wig, but after wearing it, it done got so frizzy. So there is still hope for this unit. Is there still hope? Is there still hope? Okay, first of all, we're going to wash this wig. That's the first thing we're going to do, is throw her in the water. Some lukewarm water. Okay? That's the first step. Next, we're going to add some shampoo to it. Now you just can leave it in the water to soak for like 5 or 10 minutes. Now I'm adding more water. I dumped the old water out where I shampooed the wig. Now I'm going to condition it so we can revive this wig where it's going to look like new again. Okay, I'm just using my regular conditioner by Tresemme, and I also used the shampoo, but you can use any kind that you like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the conditioner. Okay, trying to get it out. That's enough, and I'm just going to work that in to the hair. And I will do this off camera because I'm like holding the phone and doing this at the same time, and I want to drop my phone in the water. Okay, now all I'm going to do is finger comb the hair starting from the bottom all the way to the top. While the conditioner is in the hair, you just want to finger comb, and it's very tangly. So you just finger comb it out, and then you will rinse the conditioner out. Okay, once you do that, you're just going to rinse the conditioner and stuff out. And the hair is super soft now after doing that. Okay? Just rinse all the conditioner out, and then we're going to let it air dry. Okay, after detangling it, this is a lot of hair that came out of it because it was so tangly. Okay, so you can expect to lose some hair when detangling the hair out. Okay. Alright, so I washed and conditioned the hair, and I finger combed it out while the conditioner was up in there to help with the hair. It still have a few frizzy ends, and what I'm going to do about that, I'm going to recurl those ends to remove that frizz. That's actually a really easy and good way to do it, to get rid of it completely. Okay? So, I'm going to let this air dry and then come back and do some of the ends only. Redo the ends because you all can see that it has some frizz to it. Okay, so now I'm just going to let this wig air dry, and once it does, I will take care of those ends. I just set my wig on this mirror. Okay, it's perfect. Okay. It's perfect to put it on there and let it dry. So it was right there. So I was like, let me just put it on there to let it dry. So once it's finished drying, I'm going to show you all how to fix these frizzy, ugly ends. So I will be back. Start with the ends, because it has dried out. Okay, what I'm going to do first is this, smooth out the ends. And you can also use a flat iron if you want to do that. You smooth them out. Okay, like so. Okay, I just did this one with the curling iron. I had to do a technique, okay? But anyways, to get it to have a similar wavy pattern. So, like I said, smooth out these ends first. Then take this, twirl it on there like that. Hold it for like a few seconds. Then you're going to release and hold that and let it cool for a couple of seconds. Okay, before releasing it, because if not, it's not going to hold it. So, you do that. I mean, the wave pattern is not going to be exactly the same, but it's better than having some old, ugly, frizzy ends. So, here I go again. I smoothed it out, smoothed out the ends, and I will finish doing this to the entire wig at the bottom parts only. I'm not doing the top. Okay? Just hold it there for a couple of seconds and release. Okay? And I'll finish doing the rest off camera. Okay, I finally got done with the unit, okay? And finished curling up these ends that were very frizzy. As you can see, they're no longer frizzy. I wish I had my small curling one to make the a smaller wave pattern, but I used what I had, and I'm still very, very pleased with the results. I hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching Princess Beauty TV. Be sure to subscribe, share this video, and drop me a comment in the comment section. Have a very blessed day, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye.